today is actually very, very interesting day. And today go day very, very wonderful. Because we get one confirmed guest inside the studio. And this confirmed guest, don't they give us some kind of lowdown? We don't show us say today, if you not laugh, if you not peace for your chair, then you never really watch anything. But we don't come again today on top your regular TV program, Talk on top Wazobia TV. Today, as I tell you before, now our Comedy Friday. And we go get our celebrity crush, we go get our cocoa of the day, and we go get body kajat, Shebi? Yes. Confirm. We will get body kajat today, but make I just introduce myself. My name still remains Uvi Ehigia Musoe. Welcome to Talk. And the ladies then, plus including the man, where we get for our mist. Now I'm going to introduce himself by himself. They're going to cover themselves one by each.
Oh yes, my people, and welcome. My name is Pt.1, and today, yes, today is my favorite day of the week. Friday don't come. Finally. Jesus. What's happening?
Pt.1, calm down.
I know, but think.
Oh, yeah. Babao.
Oui. And now we are not too many.
My
name, everything. Your I need now we. Betty.
Sorry,
I know this. Am I supposed to speak pidgin in English?
Pidgin. Well, something with the speak says, not be pidgin. Speak says.
Okay, so today, not the day. Where Ushbebe and
All right, so my people, good afternoon, like we don't talk before. On top of Talk today, my laugh, I don't sure say I feel control, but we're gonna manage her with me. My own name still remains Queen B Obalo.
Obalo.
I will try.
Queen B, your name change. When I first know you, you'll be Queen B, Cinderella or Sinatra before that. Obalo.
Okay, they used Sinatra before.
Hey, Queen B! So, they change them. It depends on the location where they are. Before that, Queen B, Obago. Obalo. Congrats. Shut up.
Queen B. Okay. Sinatra. All right, we got celebrity crush of the day. Pt.1, baby.
Yes, our celebrity crush for today na Okechukwu Ukeje, also known as OC Ukeje, Nigerian actor, model, and musician. Born for inside Lagos State, born for inside Lagos State, Nigeria. Be the second child of a family of 3. In Papa na Ketra, very different choice of in here. And in Mama na staff of Nigeria Civil Service, where they ever supportive of his own career choice. In coming to the prominence after he win one reality show where they pick actors and actresses, he received several awards, including Africa Movie Academy Awards, African Magic Viewers Choice Awards, Nollywood, blah, 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 then plenty. I don't feel name every. But many one of the movies where he don't feature, where we say he really go around. Now, Two Brides and a Baby, Hood Rush, Alan Posa, Confusion Nawa, and Half of a Yellow Sun. And recently, he don't win Best Actor for Inside Drama at the AMVC, where they showed the last time, where we go show herself well. Yes, and he wrote for Inside Secret Room, now he take win that award. And he they married to Ibukun Togonu.
Just call one. No more than
he married Ibukun. And she they live for inside Toronto, Canada, while him, they live for inside Lagos. Sorry, my ladies, before we shook mouth on top, say in be our celebrity crush, you feel they one country, may your husband they another country?
Yeah, thank you for you asked that question, because now something where they actually ask OC Ukeje, when they actually married, then say, why we say your wife there another place, you they decide. He could talk say, nah, wait, your own decision. Now you decide, and when they want to see, that they always see. Yeah. At least they try to see her like twice in the month.
That's what I've been they do
3 times
before
in the
now.
month.
My
calm
first
down.
relationship.
So what's it called? Leave her may talk.
Talk now, please talk. Please say it, please. Talk and say your first relationship. What's happened?
I did talk to her, I don't talk to her.
What you do?
I wasn't talking to you guys.
Well, I believe in long distance relationship in as much as when I plan, when I program well, but not that far.
But we not say you don't know, man.
No, you're not in Kaduna experience.
For me, I don't feel say go on. What's with the marriage if our two of you wake up beside each other every day, they see each other?
You like man, Betty.
That woman I won't like.
Person we want marry forever. The other one they see every day.
Now why we want marry? Because I want to see him every day now. If not, why we marry?
Forever.
Forever no.
So why would not even they do celebrity coach? What are they do here?
You be guest.
Oh, guest coach.
But really, you don't believe in long distance relationship?
Me? I don't do it well now. No, long distance is sweet.
Why?
If you be guy man, you understand? So now that you're caring for your wife, as that time when you don't go, come back, then you go say, I never come away, because babe, how's your day? How you be? Shh, no talk. Yeah, oh, I miss you, babe. Okay, babe. Oh, I love you. Long distance.
My sentiments exactly.
So now you not tell us.
So psyche go always there
I'm not
around.
saying not good.
Because they
No, if we dey like me now, you understand me. You know say I know I be like long distance, but I dey Lagos.
Okay.
You understand? But well, it depends. You know, so when I go calculate them from starting. So babe, you're gonna be here, I'm gonna be there. You understand? When do we come here? You understand?
When we come here.
My sister, it's not easy, sha. What's in a pastor now, so. Even pastors said that they catch them lately, so.
You know what's in there, baby. Your own then are silent eating. And you not even drag at all. You not even make your voice loud. Even pastors said they catch them.
Sometimes that's what they be. So Queen B experience, you know.
Kaduna experience.
Like Katie girl now, you understand?
Katie girl.
She be nothing, you understand? From the nothing full show. But like this one. This one.
You know, man.
Gotta go. Any person they do. A friend boy with in campus. So you know they live together. I'm not talking about waiting. No, I'm just saying.
Are they here?
You know, so that experience of let us live together. Don't matter there. So, but like marriage, okay, you just enter the package now. You know it's easy. You're there. Sometimes I say my wife they would near me and they say, no. You get where you go. So baby, like wait. Don't see forever. If you rush it now, you go tired. So just take your time. So sometimes the long distance, they go come back definitely at one point to day together. Except their plan to mortgage the marriage, you understand? So if they pay, bank will come say, give me the marriage, you know, complete. You
I don't laugh.
I don't laugh, but never even start.
And people the one that say, why the talk lady decide to start with Ushbebe today? Now because say we want to make it put mouth for all the matters we will talk about, and later on we go enter the interview proper. Yes. When you go tell us what carry I'm coming here. But for now, just they enjoy Ushbebe because me my jaw don't they my cheek everything don't they pay me like.
So you don't use cheek. As you get another kill on my cheek. Let's say you just
we have a social.
Wait, before we go sunshot, but just stay. They organize and they manage the makeup for them. No one. Free yourself, my sister. This thing I work.
But what's the
I think say you've been strong before, but you see your side today.
No. They talk something. There's no. Person will get sense. No say. If lion and tiger meet, one guy's bow for the other one.
Okay, so you meet the one with
pass your power. I just they
Just say Jesus and Satan. I mean, not they use lion
and
tiger.
Who be the Satan for inside this
animal.
Ushbebe, who be Satan?
Jesus and Satan.
All right, when we actually go and cook today. Now, thank God say you actually there inside the studio because we want to make everybody's opinion count on top of this matter. Now, our cocoa update today be say, how you go tell your friend, say he or she gets body/mouth odor without saying you upset the person.
No. And no man, you go just say, they smell here. And at 12 na day. But usually they know, so then they follow you, they find out. If you there, where this thing there? Tell him, guy, you the ooze. Not kill us. You understand? Because
you just tell them point blank, say you the
guy, you the ooze. Not kill us. Because it's better than a point blank. If you sleep with that person till daybreak, suffocate. You're not going to wake up, they will say, na heart attack, na lie, na smell attack. So you go tell them as it be. Say, guy, no, nah, you need to, like me. I get some boys where they work with me sometimes. If they come with stain, if I first give you roll-on, not be dash. If I give you deodorant, not be dash. I they give you because say you need to apply. So when I notice, say I give you, I can meet you 3 days later, you still you reminisce the format. I'll say, Baba, you need your input, you need to clear out.
But you never date girl when she get mouth odor and body
we not fit date girl when get mouth odor. Now the scent they bring us. So if they smell and scent different. Right? Scent. They pull all those effery, all those leaf, scented leaf. Smell. Who do this thing? You know, like if we there now, so if spirit lead you to release for here now. When I go know the difference because here they packed. You understand? But if you enter here, your perfume, you understand? So difference there. So tell her to save the life.
So you just tell them point blank, even with mouth odor, say, I beg, sister, your mouth is smell.
Because, you know, say, mouth odor people, now they like to dish past. Then they call your phone. Oh, boy, you don't hear that guy. Don't. Then you go say, Papa, you go say, I didn't tell you. And the club, that's how they go club. Because one guy, and the music loud, so you go come your ear. Baba, the man does this.
Calm down.
You dey hear me? Don't try am. So you go tell them. Tell them, because nothing hard.
Oh, you know, say, I dey always talk am on top of the show, I talk and say, the turn off for me, no matter how you be. Sure, make you and Otedola they share cup, say, when they count money together.
No, Otedola, the guys are going to manage.
I no fit compromise. Smell na one thing where I dislike with passion.
Yeah.
So I dey try as much as possible, at least smell something. Smell something. I need you to smell something. So, but if you be my person, you they smell and you they very close to me. I'll like Ushbebe talk. I'll manage it because now something I no fit package myself. So I go tell you, guy. Hey, like say your ministry is strong, so somehow more could try so. Yes, more try so thing to help you because you know good make somebody for outside tell you, go good make me tell you.
Understand? Then you will go wait like now. Tell we now let's say now your mouth is smell for here now. Not the smell really, but let's say now then in they tell you. Then Pt.1 come meet you for outside and say, sister, your toothbrush lost. You can say, no, it's the house now. And
you say, why you talk so?
Say, it's the house. Try to use them. You're going like, and you can't know. Hey, and that Queen Bee not fit that person anything. Then go come meet you. Queen Bee, friends these days,
Then you go engage you, you don't know what
then you not go know. So it's best say your close part. That's because your original question be that.
Yeah.
So if that your friend, then you should be able to tell the friend anything. You understand? Not they keep on for like Pt.1 and my gay. You understand? If anytime there are reason, I'll say, babe, I'll talk about you.
But for me, actually, like you talk, I'm now person maybe your party now if you tell you know if you tell person maybe saying just hello hi, you go do one kind. Person like me, I know they like to embarrass people, so it goes strong one kind for me to tell person say okay, your mouth they smell or your body they smell. Like our producer now, because now my party, I always tell and say guy, I don't say they smell, but it gets smell, but you know they smell.
Yes.
Okay.
But it doesn't a person like we now. I feel that we say we are fun. Why your mouth they smell because now my girl. But if na person maybe say we not really too familiar with each other, hi, it go hard small. Maybe I go write letter.
You come buy deodorant and put for inside pack, add the letter together.
No,
so when you see the deodorant, I can't see the letter.
No, for the letter, just put the deodorant and just write, please make use. Adhere strictly.
Use religiously.
But for me, I don't actually know whether if he just tell you point blank, say, come your mouth they smell or your body they smell. Maybe like within Ushbebe talk, I feel buy you perfume, buy you deodorant.
But what if the person already they use all these perfumes and things?
I go ask first, which perfume you use? I would just use style. I love perfume.
You say you mix up. You say you mix with sweat.
You mix and sweat.
I say, if I say something, they said, I have one good one for you.
I'll buy for you.
I'll buy for you. Just use that every day. You go stick to your body. Even the day when you're not going to use them.
Yes. Then advise them of a river where if he goes.
To swim.
Anyway, you were there out there. Tell us what you think. If you tell your friends, say you get body or mouth odor, enter Twitter at Wazobia. After this break, we go tell you 9 where you go take note, say your husband or your boyfriend they cheat on you. We still get Ushbebe inside the studio and him go put him out inside the matter. Not go anywhere. We they come back.